welcome to my vlog. Today, wait, I forgot my time. Restart.
Hey friends! Welcome to another vlog! Restart. Okay. Take 2. Action.
Not yet, actually.
Not yet action. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Action.
Yeah. Hey friends, welcome to another vlog. Today we're gonna make a video of my new toy of Target. Of Nerf guns.
Target? Sa Target ba yan ang galing?
Yeah, it's a Target.
Sigurado ka?
Look, it
Hindi naman
say-
tayo galing Target
Look,
eh.
It's a Target toy.
Target yung toy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi sabi niya from Target eh. Yan, pumunta kasi kami, nag-playground muna kasi kami. Tapos, ikot-ikot. Tapos, bumaba kami sa Ross. Pumunta kami sa Ross. Tingin-tingin lang. Pero kami, wala kaming nakita. Wala kaming nabili. Ito, ang galing. Ang galing. May nakuha agad siya. So, buksan na natin para... Pero ang galing niya pumili. Itong Target na to, na Nerf. Alam niyo kung magkano lang? Ayan.
Target.
$3 to $99. Original price niya is $20. Ang galing talaga nito ni Kenji. Open natin.
Yeah. Get the scissors first.
Di na. Ito na. Oh, don't break the box kasi pwede siya isole basta maayos yung box. Yung pagkaka-open nyo. Kung kulang or sira yung toy.
Open.
Oh, wait natin. Wait. Ayun. So, lumabas lang kami. Tingin-tingin sa mga shops malapit sa amin. Wait, Kenji. Tas, kasi nanood ako ng vlog ni Mama Ann. So, sabi ko, parang gusto ko rin ng
Let's see
Wendy's.
what's inside. Guys.
Let's see.
Yes. Do you have a builder or not?
Ayan, ganyan siya sa loob.
Yeah, that's the part.
Oh, kailangan mo siya lagyan ng battery. May battery na ba siya kasama? Oh. So, kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng battery.
This is part of the package.
It's part of the packet. Oh, wait lang. Excuse me.
No, I'm gonna buy a mansion. No, I'm gonna buy a mansion
Ayan.
when I'm millionaire. I wanna be a grow up when I'm a millionaire.
You're a millionaire.
Yeah. I choose
Ayan,
some-
kailangan natin siya lagyan ng battery. Dito. Okay. Okay, so fix natin yan later.
Mom,
Open ko muna yung mga na-receive natin na packages. Can you get the envelope for mommy?
this one or that one?
That one. Yeah, that one. No, this one. Yan. May na-receive kasi ako galing Pilipinas.
Yes.
Thank you, Ate Sha. Tapos binadala ni Ate Shi. Thank you, Ate Shi. So,
Mom, look.
yeah, later. Oh!
For me?
Hello, Panda! For Kenji!
What next?
Say thank you. Pochi!
Did you just say
Pochi Candy!
yeah, or did you just say that word?
Oh, wait lang. What's this? Yan.
This
This
Ruffles.
one.
Mom.
There's some more. There's some more. Hello, Panda!
Yeah. And there's
Vikat!
There's some more. There's some more.
There's some more. Wait. Vikat! Say Ninang Sharon send you Vikat. Oh, Ate Sha! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you, Mom. You're the best mom ever. Mom, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best mom ever.
Thank you so much.
Hello, pandas.
Thank you.
Is there some more?
Is it all? Yan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Na-excite talaga ako dito sa sa Sunstick. Muntik na ako bumili ng sunscreen kanina. Buti na lang. Kasi hindi ko pa ito na-open nung umalis kami. Wait lang. Thank you. Tapos, ito pala yung bago. Yay! Tapos, meron tayong Play-Doh. Ito yung kasama sa Happy Meal ni Ken. Ang tawag doon? Kiddie Meal.
Kid meal and Happy Meal.
Kiddie Meal in Wendy's.
Yeah, Wendy's. Wendy's. You say Wendy's.
What?
Say Wendy's.
What will you say if you're scared so that they will not scare you? What will you say? If you're scared to Slender Man, what will you say? Duwag ako.
Duwag ako.
What will you say?
Duwag ako.
How many times?
Duwag ako. Duwag ako. Duwag ako. Duwag ako.
Okay. Sabi namin sabihin niya yan para di siya takutin.
Mom, if this flashes...
Oy, open na natin. Oh.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, what's inside?
Mom, me.
Mm.
Also, if this flashes, it means you hit the target.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
This-
so it's the Play-Doh. Oh, so this is where you put the Play-Doh. Meron siyang mat.
Cool.
And then, one piece na Play-Doh.
Cool.
Cool,
A
right?
pink.
And then, yung mga mold.
You also, when you want to close it, just do like this. And then if you want to close this, just do like this. It's kind of hard though. It's kind of hard though. It's kind of hard though.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Dumating na rin yung order ko sa Wii. Kompleto na. Kaso, hindi sa apartment naman dineliver. Sa kabilang pinto. Buti na lang nakita ni Joseph. So, yung mga tawag dito, kasama nung una kong in-order. This one. Yan. Tuyo. Herring is tuyo, diba? Yan. Ang sarap nito. Lalo na sa suka. Yan. Iubo pa rin ako. Excuse me. Ayan. Tapos yan. Ang tatlong yan ni Kenji. And favorite ni Seiji. Graham. Ayan. Ito, yung chocolate na favorite ko sa Japan. Yan. For Kenji and Seiji. Ayan, ito pa isa. Masarap to. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Fujiya. And, ito, Nagaraya. Adobo. Nagaraya. Garlic. Magkano to sa atin? Dito nasa siya? 150. 150 pesos. Tama ba? Hindi, 57. Mga 200 isa. Layo kasi ng pinanggalingan, diba? Kaya mahal. Yan, saka yung instant na miso soup. Minsan kasi pag sobrang nagmamadali ka, tapos ang sakit na ng tiyan mo. Ang sarap nitong sabaw. Miso soup. And Alfort. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Alfort ba? Tama. Yung chocolate bourbon. Ang sarap to. Yan. Sa Japan. Ako, I miss Japan. Kailan kaya kami makakabalik sa Japan? Ayan. Tapos, itong atsuete. 3. Yan. Kasi panggawa na ang kare-kare lang dati. Ngayon, panggawa na rin ng chicken pastel ni Daddy. Gumawa si chicken ng pastel. Yung na-viral na binibenta sa Quiapo, ginaya niya. So, yan. Yung pala yun. Kasi never pa akong nakatikim nun eh. So, yung pala yung lasa nun. Tapos, meron pala siyang atsuete. Kaya ganun yung color niya. Yun. So, yun. And, yan. Instant coffee. Sa galing Vietnam. Masarap kasi yung coffee ng Vietnam eh. So, yun. Pag ayoko mag-brew, ito instant, masarap to. Masarap din to ice. Hot or cold, masarap talaga. And syempre, ang ating, grabe, secure na secure yung ano, secure na secure yung mga babasagin. So, talagang hindi mababasag kasi ang kapal ng ano, ang kapal ng bubble wrap. Ayan, fish sauce. Ayun. So, ayun lang. Kompleto na yung order natin sa Wii.
Thank you, Ninang Charlene. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to Mama and Lola,
Happy Mother's Day to Mama, Lola,
Bibi Nanay,
Baby Nanay,
all my Lolas,
all of my Lolas, my
and Titas,
and Titas,
and
and wait. Grandmothers,
grandmothers. Especially baby
girls.
Nanay. Baby, you forgot. Baby Nanay.
Baby Nanay.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Again, what?
Thank you, Nina Charlene.
Thank you, Ninang Sharon. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day,
Mama.
Mama,
Who else? Lola.
Lola,
Baby Nanay.
Baby Nanay,
Old Mommy.
Old Mommy,
Tita Swabi.
Dear Swabi,
Who else?
Tata,
And who else? You forgot? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And you're doing a great.
job.
And who else? You forgot to greet Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Who? Do you have a mother?
No, I just said Happy Mother's
Do you have
Day.
a mother?
No,
You don't have a mother?
I just said you're mom.
So who you forgot to greet? Oh, what will you say?
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Your Happy Mother's Day, thank you. How about you?
Question of the day. If you had any app that can do anything, what would it be? Tell us in the comments. Have a good day and thanks for watching.
I made the hamburger, but it's